Hello class, this is the continuation of the Payg tax system, and this is just going to go straight into our second example. You can pause and give this a go yourself, and yeah, here we go. So this person earns $3,362 per fortnight. Let's go with part one. I'm going to use a different color so that we don't get confused with this example. So part one. Let's calculate how much this person would have earned throughout the year. So that's nice and simple. It's just what you earned, your statement, 3,362 times per fortnight would be $26. So this person would have earned 3,362 times 26. We get $87,412. So this person is supposed to earn this much by the end of the year. For part two, we're now going to calculate how much tax this person has already paid. Once again, for this, we look at the fortnightly incomes of this Payg table. 3,362, it's $724 per fortnight taken out. So by the end of the year, 724 times 26, you can see that, well, let's write this in, 724 times 26 is equal to $18,824. So this amount has already been taken out throughout the year, because this is happening each pay period. For this, it's each fortnight, this amount is being taken out. So now let's calculate how much this person would have earned throughout the year into their bank accounts. So for this, we just find the difference. 87,412 minus 18,824. It's just the difference of these two amounts. So the gross income minus tax paid, this is $68,588. So now remember, this amount is what has landed into this person's bank account. So this has happened already throughout the year. And so now let's take a look at this person's tax payable, and this happens at the end of the financial year. We calculate what is supposed to have been paid. Let's do this now. So part four. Now remember, for this, we always do 2% of the gross income. So 0.02 of the gross income, 87,412. So this is the Medicare levy. So 0.02 times 87,412. This amount is the Medicare levy, $1,748.24. So this is the Medicare. We can write that in. And then we do the income tax on the gross income once again. So we now take a look at this amount and compare it to the row that it belongs in the income tax table. You can see it's this one here. And we've done this before, and we're just going to follow what it says in the tax payable here. Okay, so it's going to be 4,288 plus 30 cents for every dollar above 45,000. So it's going to be 87,412 minus the amount above 45,000. Let's calculate that now. So 4,288 plus 30 cents for every amount above. So 412 minus 4500. Oh, can I fit one more zero? There we go. 000. So this person would have paid $17,011.60. And see, so the total tax payable is just the sum of the Medicare levy and the income tax. So taking the sum of these, this is our income tax, adding on to this the Medicare levy. This gives us $18,759.84. So this amount is what is expected to have been paid throughout the year. And as you can see, this person has paid more than that. And so for a tax return, it's just what this person has already paid, 18,824, minus what is expected to be paid. We can easily calculate that. So it's going to be 18,824 minus what is expected to be paid. So this person gets a tax return of $74.16. So these are just examples of how a full tax return might work. But as you can see, these amounts are rather low, and in fact, this person ended up paying more tax at the end of the year. And the reason for this is that these are very ideal situations, meaning, remember how we said at the beginning, this person is earning the exact same amount every single week, okay? And they're working every single week, likewise for this one. And on top of that, they're missing some decimals here. And the reason for that is I can see that there's no cents in any of these amounts, and the ATO simply just drops these. So for example, if a person would earn $481.50, they ignore this and just look at it as $481. In any case, I hope that gave you a further insight into how the PAYG tax system works. We'll do some further examples where we elaborate in more detail what a real tax income might look like. Hope to see you then, and best of luck.